What's up, YouTube? This is Ashley from the Priester family. I'm back with another video, and you guys, today's video is a Instacart delivery. I usually do $10 meal. If you watch my videos, you know I usually try to keep all my dinners, all my meals under $10, but I end up buying other items, so it came up to like $56 or something like that. But the actual meal that I am preparing tonight with my children was expensive, y'all. Y'all know I do not shop at Publix. I shop at Aldi and Walmart because I'm cheap. But what happened is that Walmart was not going to be able to deliver until 10 o'clock tonight. And I didn't want my kids waiting for, I didn't want my kids waiting for dinner. So I went ahead and bit the bullet and ordered from the Publix. That'll probably be the only time. I got a migraine headache spending that much money only on a couple items. I also so what I bought from Publix was this. It was supposed to be a cupcake tin, but it's a muffin tin. I guess that's about the same. This thing was like $10. Okay, that was way, y'all know me. I could have did a whole meal for $10. But it's a muffin pan and it holds 8 muffins. They're gonna actually use this to make pizza rolls tonight. Y'all hear baby Kalia in the back? I bought this. I thought I got the the Publix brand water, but I guess I didn't. The Zephyr Hills bottled water for the kids and for the baby for her bottles. It's 24 in here, probably like $4. I got pepperoni. This pepperoni is like $1 something at Walmart. I think it was almost $3 at Publix. Just regular old pepperoni. I got pizza sauce. This right here was about $2. You know, your girl had to get her chips. These are my favorite chips, the thin and crispy. These were $5, you guys. $5. I got some zebra cakes for my son. This is what he asked for until we go grocery shopping over the weekend. These were almost $3. Y'all, Publix is expensive. I don't know how people shop at Publix. I don't understand. I bought some cold and flu severe because I felt like either my allergies were starting to act up or I was probably trying to catch a cold. So I want to catch it before I get it. Y'all hear baby? Baby! I got my favorite cheese dip. You guys, this will be gone between today and tomorrow. This is how I get all my calories. This is why I can't lose weight. This is why I got dimples in my thighs. Just, speaking the truth, it's because of this queso dip. I kind of wish they would take it off the market because I could just eat this all day. It's one of my favorites with those chips. It's so good. Okay, you guys, I bought the Ajax dish detergent. This right here was almost $2. I want to say $3, maybe more. I seen one dish detergent on there. It was $7. How in the world are you guys shopping at Publix? You guys comment down below and tell me, how do you afford to shop at Publix? You guys are not thinking smart. You guys are not thinking like we're in inflation. I got some Mexican cheese, 4 cheese for the kids' pizza rolls tonight. This was almost $4. I got these 2 things of biscuits right here. I want to say these was about $2 plus almost $3, probably more. I got this Minute Maid Tropical Punch from Publix. I can get this at Walmart for $1 and some change. At Publix, it's $2 and some change. So that really hurt my feelings. I got Anastasia because this is what she requested. see if you guys can see the the box of chips. It comes with Cooler Ranch, nacho cheese, Cheeto Puffs, and crunchy chips. Y'all, this thing was $14. When I tell you 14, that is crazy. Oh, y'all know I do not shop like that, but it was an emergency and I did not feel like having to wait till 10 o'clock. And then I got this turmeric radiance. I thought this was something that I can drink because I was feeling like a little under the weather. But I think it's it says reduces inflammation and optimizes digestion. So I think I got the wrong kind. I'm still going to drink it because it has turmeric in it and turmeric is good for you. This has, what does it have in it? Ginger root, turmeric root, orange peels, lemongrass, lemon, something, cinnamon chips, some cardamom, something else, seeds, something else. It's got a lot of stuff in it. I'm going to be drinking this. I'll probably do this on another video, sit down and drink it with you guys later tonight, because I wanted to do like a late night mom special where I sit down and I just discuss important topics of a mom, how we can learn how to de-stress ourselves, different things we can do with the kids. Every mom needs, a moment to herself, places we can go to be alone. How many moms in the comments just want some time to be by themselves? Not trying to be mean and say like you don't love your kids or you don't love your husband, but every now and then we just need a little break, okay? Every now and then. Okay, you guys, so that was my Publix Instacart order. It was expensive for the items that I got, like 15 items. Oh, and I got this broom. I think this broom was like $10. Bless you. This broom was like $10, I want to say. So this was like so expensive. It gave me a headache having to order. Y'all guys know, if y'all watch my other videos, that I am the cheapest thing on YouTube. I try to teach people how to shop on a budget, and today I did not shop on a budget. I also bought this pink, it's called Pink Stuff, the Miracle Cleaning Paste, which I'm going to be doing a video on. I got this from Amazon. It cost me $7. And I keep hearing like rave reviews about it, so that's why I bought it. You guys comment down below if you ever tried this and tell me what you think. I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom with it. And I'm going to be cleaning like other things. I might do like 5 days of cleaning with the pink stuff and see how many different things I can clean and if it really work, okay? For $7, it better be a banger, because I go to the Dollar Tree and buy my cleaning products. Ain't no shame, honey. The Dollar Tree is where I go to buy my cleaning products. So this little $7 pink stuff better be a banger, okay? That is all for today, you guys. I did not crush my $10 challenge. Their meal probably cost like $15. Just the cheese alone was like $4. So, but Publix, y'all, Publix is high. You guys, I will be bringing more videos. You guys, please keep commenting, keep liking, and share your girl stuff. Tell your friend, tell your sister, tell your mama, tell your grandma, tell your baby daddy, tell your baby daddy, baby mama. Like, tell everybody about the girl on the Piece of Family who brings you $10 meals. No cap. $10. You can feed your family, and we're going to learn how to beat inflation in 2022. You guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Bye.